This wheel has seen better days. Let's see if we can save it. Deep corrosion everywhere. There it is, better than new. Let's check this brake line. We are looking for any cracks or leaks. I'll check the wall thickness. Everything looks good and up to standard.
Is your car's underbody looking like this? Let's start with a full inspection. We blast away years of heavy rust to apply our premium multi-stage coating for a finish that is better than factory. Professional dry ice blasting removes dirt and old undercoating. It peels away grease while leaving clean steel visible.
This creates a perfect base. Every line is meticulously coated. This ensures maximum protection.
Look at the state of this. Years of rust and wear. Let's see if we can save it. Watch the rust disappear. Perfect surface. TOP rusty coil spring. Can it be saved?
Years of damage. Look closer. Look closer.
Perfect coverage. Another factory finish.
The coated spring is now baking to perfection. The powder is melting into a flawless finish. Showroom quality.
The finish is perfect. Coating thickness is exact. This spring is built to last. Precision alignment is key. Torqued to spec. Ready to drive. The vehicle is lowered, revealing the beautifully restored suspension with a flawless gloss black powder-coated coil spring. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to FixCraft Garage. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new repair guide, maintenance tip, or garage project.
A side-by-side comparison reveals the dramatic transformation. Rust completely eliminated, restored to a flawless factory finish.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to FixCraft Garage. Turn on the notification bell so you Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to FixCraft Garage. Turn on the notification bell so you Take a look at this. This is showroom quality. No more rust, just perfect tools. Follow for more satisfying restorations. Hello, I'm the creator of FixCraft Garage. We work hard to bring you quality restorations. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Help us reach our next milestone.
Years of wear and exposure have left this hinge severely corroded. We need to look closer at the pivot points.
Precision lubrication ensures smooth operation. The hinge is slowly worked back and forth, allowing the premium grease to fully penetrate the bronze bushings.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to FixCraft Garage. Turn on the notification bell so you